I'm Michael from Masseuse Massage Chairs. Today I've got with me the brand new Physio Plus massage chair. The Physio Plus has easily been our most popular chair over the last few years, and this one is a brand new model with way more technology and awesomeness all packed into it. So I can't wait to get it out of the box so I can show you exactly how to sit back and relax in it so you can have the most amazing massage experience of your life. Now, one exciting thing about this chair is it doesn't need any installation. You've literally just got to take it into the right room in your home, take all the packaging away and plug it in, and it's ready to go. Okay, so I'll get Sam to help me take the box off and we'll show you how to set it up. Okay, so it really is that easy. You just have to take the packaging away, position it in the perfect spot in your home, and it's ready to go. If you press the red power button twice, it'll reset the chair into its original seating position. Hop in and have an amazing massage experience.